Welcome back, health warriors. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of one of nature's most powerful roots, ginger. This superfood isn't just a spice, it's a health powerhouse with benefits that might just surprise you. Are you ready to discover why you should make ginger a staple in your diet? Ginger has been used for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal properties. From ancient Ayurvedic practices to traditional Chinese medicine, ginger has been a go-to remedy for a wide range of health issues. Let's dive into the top 15 health benefits of ginger. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest health tips. Number 1. Ginger boosts your immune system. Its high levels of antioxidants help your body combat free radicals, reducing your risk of infections and illnesses. Regular consumption can strengthen your defenses, especially during flu season. Have you tried using ginger tea to ward off colds? Let us know in the comments below. Number 2. Ginger is a natural remedy for nausea. Whether you're dealing with morning sickness, motion sickness, or nausea from chemotherapy, ginger can help settle your stomach. Studies have shown that it can be as effective as anti-nausea medications. What's your go-to ginger remedy? Share your tips. Number 3. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. It contains compounds called gingerols, which can help reduce inflammation and relieve pain, making it great for those with arthritis or chronic inflammatory conditions. Have you used ginger for joint pain relief? Comment below with your experience. Number 4. Ginger aids in digestion. It stimulates saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes to help your body digest food more efficiently, preventing bloating and discomfort after meals. It's especially useful for those with indigestion or IBS. Have you noticed a difference after adding ginger to your diet? We'd love to hear your story. Number 5. Ginger helps relieve muscle pain and soreness. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it particularly effective against exercise-induced muscle pain. Some studies suggest that consuming ginger can reduce muscle pain by up to 25%. Do you use ginger to recover after workouts? Let us know. Number 6. Ginger can help lower blood sugar levels. It improves insulin sensitivity, which helps your body use insulin more effectively, crucial for managing diabetes. Regular consumption has been linked to significant reductions in blood sugar levels and improved heart risk factors. If you're managing your blood sugar with ginger, share your tips with our community. Number 7. Ginger improves heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties also help protect against heart disease. A healthier heart means a longer, happier life. How do you incorporate ginger into your heart-healthy diet? Comment below. Number 8. Ginger fights infections. Its powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties make it effective against a range of pathogens, helping you stay infection-free. It's also known to inhibit the growth of oral bacteria linked to gum diseases. Have you used ginger to fight off a cold or infection? Share your results. Number 9. Ginger enhances brain function and can protect against age-related damage to the brain. It improves cognitive function, attention, and reaction time, keeping your mind sharp. This is due to its ability to inhibit inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Have you felt sharper since using ginger? Tell us about it. But ginger supports weight loss by boosting metabolism and promoting fat burning. It can increase the number of calories burned and reduce feelings of hunger, helping you shed those extra pounds. Adding ginger to your diet can make a noticeable difference. What's your favorite ginger recipe for weight loss? Let us know. But here's the real kicker. Did you know that ginger can help alleviate menstrual cramps? That's right. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can provide relief for those monthly pains, making it a natural and effective remedy for women everywhere. Number 12. Ginger promotes healthy skin by improving blood circulation and delivering more nutrients to your skin cells. Its antioxidant properties also protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, resulting in a natural glow. How do you use ginger in your skincare routine? We want to know. Number 13. Ginger may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Its bioactive compounds have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent the spread of tumors. This is particularly evident in studies related to gastrointestinal cancers. Do you believe in ginger's protective power? Share your opinion. Number 14. Ginger supports respiratory health. It helps clear up congestion and soothe a sore throat, making it great for colds and allergies. Its anti-inflammatory properties can also help with chronic respiratory conditions like asthma. Have you used ginger for respiratory issues? Let us hear your story. To sum it up, ginger is a powerhouse of goodness. From reducing inflammation to aiding digestion and even easing menstrual cramps, this superfood is a must-have in your daily routine. Its versatility in promoting overall health and well-being is truly remarkable. I encourage you to start incorporating more ginger into your diet and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Are you ready to incorporate ginger in your diet? So grab your apron and join us in the kitchen as we dive into these fantastic ginger recipes. One. Ginger tea. Ingredients: fresh ginger root, 1 to 2 inches, 2 cups of water, honey or lemon, optional. Instructions: peel and slice the ginger root into thin pieces. Boil 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Add the ginger slices to the boiling water. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup. Add honey or lemon to taste if desired. 3. Ginger stir-fry ingredients: 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, minced, 1 bell pepper, sliced, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 carrot, julienne, 1 cup snap peas, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, cooked rice or noodles for serving. Instructions: 1. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. 2. Add the minced garlic and ginger and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. 3. Add the bell pepper, broccoli, carrot, and snap peas to the skillet. 4. Stir-fry the vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender but still crisp. 5. In a small bowl, mix the soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. 6. Pour the sauce over the vegetables and stir to coat evenly. 7. Serve the stir-fry over cooked rice or noodles. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.